Yo, let's hear the dump. Hear the dump. Hear the switch.
All right, this is off, guys.
This is off.
Yeah, you missed the stars. I need that. Yeah, I need that.
Start,
oh yeah.
Start, boys. Here we go.
Think about a knife slowly cutting your throat. Let it think about it, girl. Slowly putting on your coat. Lipstick on her lips. Holy shit, she close. Let it think about you dancing, but she's stepping on the toes. Now I realize that all this got is in a fucking dream. All these hoes and all these pills, you drinking fast like it's some lean. Wait, this to me, bitch. You don't wanna date, so it's all your shit. Bitch, put me on the desk. I'm that shit, no stress. Hey shit, God bless. Hey shit, they always want more and even less. Chocolate chip cookies looking faded, watching movies, weak body looking bloody, dark waters taking muddy.
Just go, bro. That's all right. At least someone was coming. Here's the switch.
All right, this is off, guys.
This is off.
That is awesome.
Roll.
Holy
Nice,
fuck,
bro.
man.
Where did you get these? Damn. What kind of exhaust you got, bro?
Cat back, Flowmaster exhaust all the way back.
Flowmaster?
Yeah, but then I got the switch. I can go right full. I can go right straight from the engine down,
Yeah,
or then I can
yeah.
put the switch on, then I make go with my exhaust.
Fuck, that's crazy.
Yeah. Then these things were only like 110 bucks off Amazon, and like they like flash and stuff.
Damn.
I got turned off my other car.
Yeah.
But yeah, like then I just got like a stupid little bit of rust. I just had all this redone.
Yeah.
It was like rotted right out.
It is what it is,
Yeah,
man, with
but-
these vehicles.
But damn.
What kind of motor work you got in there? Okay.
Everything else is just lipstick on a pig, right?
Yeah, yeah. Fuck. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo. I can't believe you drove that many kilometers on this thing.
That's how we roll.
400?
420, 684.
Well, of course it's 420, eh?
Oh, that's how we roll.
Here we go. Bust him, bust him, bust him, bust him, bust him, bust him. Holy fuck. That was busting, dog. You were going hard, though. Dude, yeah, 261. 261. Fuck. Good run, he kept up. Oh. Good run. Good run. Bussin'. Bussin'.
Wait. So quick. I thought
Dude.
we were doing a pull, but I guess I just left you in the dust.
Fucking cooking. No, that was bussin', dog. That was bussin'. fucking exhaust sound on this. Woo! Alright. Woo!
She's fucking perky.
Yeah. You put 91 in this baby?
94!
90. Oh, yeah,
94!
man.
I put regular in my car one time and it just fucking just shit. I was like, oh my god, what did I do to my car?
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't think that this has got the srt8, right?
Yeah.
They pull up beside me and like, puh, what's that got? It's like, I'll show you.
I'll show you, bucko.
Fucking
Yeah.
show you.
Roll with you, Neil. Get some pulls.
Yes, sir.
I don't have the indicators.
You don't? Oh, it's not even kill time, bro. You dead me, bro. Three honks! What's that? Dang. Oh man, it's so loud. Go ahead, just go, bro. That's all right. At least someone was coming though. Go ahead. Roll.